it is. Ready? Yep, told you, fucking told you. That pocket.
I'm glad you were right.
Oh, I'm so glad that, yeah, I was just, oh, it came off. Okay, I was just gonna say right before that, like, I'm gonna be jumpy and not set it right.
Yep, and you didn't either.
I kind of did. I think it was just a bad grab.
Feisty.
Oh, fucking so splashed.
Boat flip at 3. Oh, it's thick though. I love how healthy the fish are here.
You mean a 2.5?
Probably 2.5.
Need to find a little school with these. I don't see those thick weeds that we just passed. I don't think they're on this side.
Oh, I threw this out to the right, like the deep
Yeah.
end, and let it go all the way down to the bottom and just slow rolled it across the bottom.
I'm thinking this edge might be nice for the wacky worm right now, though.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm tripping over just throwing the frog anyways. There's so many baits I can throw right now.
Holy fuck.
Oh, that was like a fucking 8-pounder, dude. That was huge.
I get the feeling of that big, but it might not have been that big. I saw a little bit of it.
Pretty decent.
It looked good.
Yeah.
I heard it. That was crazy.
Oh, okay, I was just bullshitting about why the fuck would I throw this out in the open?
That's what I was gonna say too.
Holy fuck.
Jesus.
I was not expecting that one bit. Like really slow on the bottom.
Yeah, well,
There you go.
I just let it sit there and he was just on there like this. I was like, I wonder. Oh, tiny little perk. What the fuck?
I ain't never seen that before.
He just fucking.
Justin.
Look how he got it. He ate one treble and got one in the dorsal.
Oh, that's crazy.
This is terrible.
I wonder if that's what I'm getting bit by then.
This is gonna be.
Not,
Alright, buddy. I'm gonna unhook you as quick as possible. Come on, Mr. Bass. Oh my god. My drag. Oh my god. Almost fucked myself.
He's good, whatever he is.
Yeah, this could be this rod though.
Oh, yeah,
A decent one.
Probably 3.
The net's right there, you wanna?
Yeah, I got you, buddy.
Just because the real.
Oh, we dove under the net.
Okay, wait. Okay, it's coming up now. Ooh, close.
That was smaller than I thought.
That was one of those ones where I saw the line tighten. I'm like, okay, he's on there. Pull up and just drags fully loose. Like, oh no. I know, finally. Need the wacky worm pay off for me.
I think we were just drifting. Let's go.
Alright, get you back in the water, buddy. Wait. Got him. Alright, the second one. I didn't have the camera on for that last one, but pretty sure these are bluegill. He's catching pumpkin seed sunfish. Doesn't quite look like that to me. It looks more what I think a bluegill looks like. Oh, here you go, buddy. Catch him on Topwater, probably. There it is. Oh. I was chasing it like crazy. Got him. I can't reel. There it is. There it is. I used the pinky. That worked. Oh yeah, he's digging. He's digging. Jesus. I'm telling you, man. There's a pumpkin seed. I knew it. He was fighting harder. Maybe not. Thanks, buddy. I didn't realize that.
Because, you know, we said we were moving like 3 times.
Yeah. I'm sorry, but then we came in here on a fucking school of them. And when you start moving it, they get aggressive and you catch them easy. Gotcha, buddy. Little guy went for it this time. Oh, you didn't know? I was trying to make a video just on how to catch sunfish.
I was gonna say, there's about 150 of them right there.
I know, it's fantastic. Ready for this? They're not skittish either. They're aggressive. Got him. Man, I could literally just do this all day and it'd be just as fun as if we're catching bass, I swear to God.
You're one of those people, man. You changed.
Get a fly rod, I'll tell you it happens. God, so many little open spots like this. Yep.
Nice. Fast or slow?
God.
Moving or pause?
Moving pretty good. Just walking, but pausing at the same time. It's a fucking workout grabbing those bass tassels.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, that is awesome. Oh, God. Oh, God. I let go of him. What? I was thinking, because I was like, this thing's heavy. I saw him for a second. I thought he was way bigger than this. But fuck, these ones are. Ah, okay. Got it out for you. Damn, they're fucking aggressive, healthy in this fucking lake. I wonder if just the lake itself is so healthy, the weeds there aren't as good for the basses.
That's what they're actually supposed to be like.
Yeah, this is just so much better. The other like bait fish, there's so many fucking bluegill and sunfish. Camera on? Oh, thank God. Okay. Thanks, dude. Need to recheck my indicator. Oh, take it all the way, you bitch. Got him. Well, maybe. It's getting easier. Feeling her out. God, I wish I counters. I wish we went to any fish so bad.
Yeah, I bet you do. This is exactly why I didn't though.
I know. Oh, that's a better, whatever that is. It's not even that big. Fuck. I was like, that's a better fish, whatever that is. I mean, it's a lot bigger than the one I just caught, but no, it's not that big. Thanks, buddy. Got him. He's aggressive. That's a state record. Damn. Colors on that bad boy. Beautiful colors. Thanks, buddy. There you go, one that time. Same one? Nice. Not with the wacky? I saw. Yeah. I was like, wait, did you just splash or? Eat them weeds. Damn it, I was gonna... Alright guys, just caught this one. Didn't have the camera on. Caught him on the wacky worm. Skipped it over there behind that jet ski. Smallest of the day, but still really healthy and would have been one of the better ones at Aloika. So, thanks, bud. Oh, got one. Oh, come on, baby. Come through the weeds. Oh my God. I thought for a second, I was like, maybe it's a bass that just fucking wasn't pulling, that dug into the weeds.
You can only wish, man. I know you wish it was a bass.
I do. I'm okay with bluegills though. I haven't caught a bluegill in a while. It's definitely, see the difference? Doesn't have that big red patch on the belly.
Sure.
It's definitely not a pumpkin seed. That's got to be a bluegill. Oh, I just caught one.
Yeah, I was gonna say, what was it? Like you got sucked out
A little
of the mouth.
bloop, yep.
Yeah.
I burnt my finger. It's still on there though.
I was gonna say, it sounded like you just sucked it right off the
A little
top.
bass?
It's a little bass, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's a clicker, dude.
it's a clicker.
Damn. I didn't go with the big one. Oh, I did go with the biggest one, or bigger one. Nice. Thanks, dude. On the top. Alright guys, so it's been a pretty good day. Got about an hour left, so we're gonna head back to the boat launch area where it has been really good, especially this time of day with no sun. So hopefully we catch a few more before we go. Cast what I can cast it, you know? Oh, that seems like a good one. Want to get the net? If it's, maybe.
Kind of.
Scared me. You want to weigh that one though?
Like a 4?
Yeah, 4.5, I think.
He said, what is he bouncing off?
375. Yeah, I locked at 375. Yeah, man. The water. Bleeding me behind.